Processing of the forming of the seat belt comfort stop. You start out with a square piece of brass, or a 1/16 by 1/2 long piece of brass. Stick it in the form fixture. You gauge off of one end, form it around, turn the piece around, gauge it again off of this end, form the piece, push it ahead, form the gauge piece one more time, push this stop pin up, remove the center pin, and there is our finished piece. We'll do that one more time. Square 1/16 by 1/2 rectangular piece. Insert it, gauge it, form it, turn it around, form it again, back around, gauge it again, push the stop up, pull the pin, and there's our finished piece. Let's do it one more time. Insert the piece, gauge that in, form it, turn it around, form it one more time, push around, pin up for the last stop. Here's our finished part.